Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake jelly cream. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, I'll guide you through the precise steps to combine them, focusing on achieving that perfect, velvety texture. Finally, we'll discuss the best ways to incorporate this delightful cream into your cakes, making them truly special. Get ready to create something delicious. For our delicious cake jelly cream, you'll need a few key items. Start with 1 cup of your favorite fruit jelly, perhaps raspberry or strawberry, for that vibrant flavor. Next, have 200 grams of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, which is crucial for a smooth blend. Don't forget 100 grams of sifted powdered sugar to add sweetness without grittiness. Lastly, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream will give our mixture a lovely richness. Let's get to the fun part, preparation. First, beat your softened butter in a bowl until it's wonderfully light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Then, gradually add the sifted powdered sugar, mixing until it's completely combined and smooth. Now, slowly incorporate your fruit jelly and the heavy cream into this mixture. Continue beating everything together until your cream is perfectly smooth, well emulsified, and ready to use. Now that your jelly cream is ready, let's talk application. Always ensure your cake layers are completely cooled before you start spreading, as warmth can melt the cream. Use an offset spatula to apply a generous, even layer between your cake tiers for a beautiful presentation. After assembly, chill your cake for at least 30 minutes. This helps the cream set perfectly. Remember, this delightful cream is ideal as a filling, offering a burst of flavor inside your cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.